How to transform your handwritten notes into a clean, professional-looking PDF. Let's get started. Open your browser. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the ChatGPT website. Access ChatGPT's AI capabilities. Once you're on the ChatGPT platform, upload the images of the handwritten notes you wish to convert. Make sure the images are clear and legible for the best results. Provide a specific prompt. Type a prompt instructing ChatGPT to convert the uploaded images into a neat and editable PDF, as demonstrated in the video. Wait for AI magic hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. In just a few moments, it will transform your notes into an organized PDF and generate a download link for you. Download your PDF, simply click on the provided download link and your PDF is ready to use. And there you have it. A super easy way to convert your handwritten notes into a polished, editable PDF using AI. Whether it's for school, work, or personal projects, this method saves you time and effort. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech hacks.